Beating up the criminals wherever he goes. Master Sensei helping him out.
Samurai cat, samurai cat, samurai cat, samurai cat.
Hi, cat! Away from the bustling city in the peaceful mountains lies a secret base and dojo, the training ground and meditation mecca for the world's #1 hero, Samurai Cat. Hi, Cat! Time for my training. Under the battle axe. Over the swords. Somersault flying kick. Hi, Cat! Perfect every time. Meow. Meanwhile, in the Garden of Tranquility, Master Sensei is doing his morning meditation. Oh, a wonderful day for meditation. Must concentrate. Oh, my concentration has been lapsed. Battles, fire, destruction. I find myself. I must rest by this tree. Master Sensei, I felt a disturbance in the catosphere. What has happened? Are you okay? You are true to your whiskers, Samurai Cat. We must act quickly. The city is in great danger. Fire and destruction. Crocodile Ninjas, I fear. Worry not, Master Sensei. Samurai Cat is here. Hi, Cat! To the motor cat bike. Do you copy, Samurai Cat? I copy, Master Sensei. I'm on my way. I can't see any danger at the moment, but I'll speed up and get to the city as quickly as I can. The city looks okay. What was that noise? I must speed up.
Look at this stupid city burn. I love destruction.
Oh no, Samurai Cat. Yeah, get down. I'm gonna destroy you. Tinsel kick power. Hi, Cat. Come here, bike. Time for the fire brigade to come and help out now. I'm coming back, Master Sensei. All is well in the city. Hi, Cat! Another catastrophe diverted by an extraordinary cat. Samurai Cat. Hi, Cat! Beating up the criminals wherever he goes. Master Sensei helping him out.
Samurai cat, samurai cat, samurai cat, samurai cat.